Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In the previous video, I kind of teach you about dashboards. Right now, let's move on and try to further uh, focus on some important key metrics that we do have in our data sets. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can actually assess age-based marketing insights and how age actually affects profit. So you can think of it as a data question. So you keep that in mind whenever you kind of dealing with data science or data analysis project. You always have data question at hand, like what you want to analyze. So in our particular case, we want to see how age affects the profit. So this is our data question. So why it's important? Why age segmentation is important? Age reveals buying behavior patterns. Younger audiences may engage via social media, while older ones might respond better to emails or direct marketing. So these are the questions that we do have at hand, and we might want to answer it through our analysis. So identify which age group generate higher profits to tailor to so that will enable the marketing manager to further tailor his marketing efforts. So here what we are actually doing here, we are sort of creating bins here. Like here we have initialized a list that has like 18, 25, 35, 45, and 60. And then we will like to associate some labels to those particular bins here. So we have like 18 to 25, then we have 26 to 35, then we have 36 to 45, and then we have 46 to 60. And then we are going to create an additional column called age group, and we are going to segment based on the column value age, just like the qcat that allows us to equally distribute the values in the three segments in three categories such as low, medium, high. In the same way, we are using this function cut of panda library that takes three input argument. The first input argument is actually the column of our interest based on which we are going to create the categories. Then the second column is the bin, like that will define the intervals. And finally, the last thing would be the actual label that would be a placed in age group, like it would be 18 to 25, 66 to this and this and those. Sure. And once we have those particular label being assigned in age group based on the column age, what we would like to do is to actually group those values by using the function group by of pandas library. And then once we group those values based on age groups like 18 to 25, we would like to calculate the mean total profit generated by each age group. And once we have that, we are simply going to generate a bar plot using this python code here that is taken. This function is taken from Seaborn library, and it has taken like multiple input argument. First one is actually the column name. First one is actually the data frame itself. Then the second one is the column name. Y is also the column name, and we are also defining the color palette as well. And it will help us identify. So you can see that this is actually the mean profit generated by each category, and we can see that the category that the age group that lies within 46 to 60 tends to give more profit on average as compared to other age. So this is a pretty solid finding that we do have in our hand, which can let a marketing manager to further target his efforts more towards that particular age group that help him to generate more revenue in return for this particular age group. So I hope this video have been helpful. I will be publishing more video on marketing analytics in Python, so stay tuned.